Hey my lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Yardie British. Here you will find a delightful mix of travel escapades, fashion flares and makeup tutorials. Go ahead, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Your girl Yardie British, I got you all day long. Hello everybody, I am back. Welcome to my channel. Now on my channel you are going to be blown away with various vlogs of places that I have been, so do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. You won't regret. Welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe and like button. Today you're gonna journey with me. Of course, I am an illusionary today. So come on inside. Let me show you what's happening. Okay, guys, I am actually loving the entrance. This is gorgeous. Okay, let us begin. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. This is the first room. I think I'm going to get in there now to see what it's like. It is really stunning. It is amazing. Look at this. It is gorgeous. Guys, you have to come. I'm actually in room 1 and it is amazing. Okay guys, so I just exited room 1 and I'm going to go into room 2. It is really lovely. So let's see what room 2 is going to offer. Ooh, interesting. Hi world. Hello, gorgeous.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
This room is very captivating. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Support your girl, Yardie British.
Coming back, I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay guys, so I just came out of room 2 and I'm making my way down to room 3. So far I am impressed. However, it is a little bit small, I must say. It's a little bit small, but it's not bad. Let's see what room 3 is going to give. Yeah, let's see. So room 3 is behind the curtains, but before I go behind the curtain, here it is. We're gonna head into room 3. I like the flooring. This is nice. Guys, the floor dog go on with a bag of things. I just had to lay down on the floor. I love the light, the shimmer. It just dog go on. Hi guys, I'm at Illusionaries still and I'm on the floor. I must say the floor is giving. I'm actually sitting on the floor. Guys, I'm having a blast. So I'm going in room 3 now, so come and check it out with me. Okay guys, I'm on the floor still and I'm just loving the floor vibe. It is vibing. My girl there taking picture. Yeah, it is really vibing. Look at me on the floor. Guys, it is amazing here. Small, but it's amazing. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, it was so amazing and illusionary, and I'm about to leave, so I'm gonna head on now to Sky Garden. I'm gonna take you with me, but I'm still loving the light. I think I paid £27 roughly for my ticket. There is no time limit. You can stay here as long as you want to stay in this place. Guys. Hey guys, it is indeed your girl Yardie British. Let's go to Sky Garden.